We were trying to figure out the number of cars sold on the seventh day where the median and the mean will be the same thing. So the first thing, I've written the numbers at the top. Now I'm going to put them in increasing order because to find the median, you want that to be the case. And then I'm going to sum those numbers up, and 6 and 4 is 10. That's going to be 15 plus another 15. The sum of these numbers is 30. Okay? And the numbers we're dealing with for the seventh day are 2, 4, and 5. So I'm going to write my numbers down again. 2, 3, 4. If I was on the EA, I probably wouldn't, but for illustration purposes, for you, I'm going to. So, okay, and I'm going to change colors. So let's say that the seventh day is a 2. That would go here. So that means my sum would be 32, and you would divide by 7 to get the average, and the median is 4, and 32 divided by 7 will not be 4. Okay, let's try the next one, 4. So put 4 here. That's where it would go in terms of the median. And my sum now would be 34, and 34 divided by 7 is some number. Now my median is 4 again, but 34 divided by 7 is not 4, so that doesn't work. So now let's try 5. 5 would go here. My median is 5. The sum of my numbers, the original numbers, the sum was 30, so now the sum is 35 divided by 7, and that would be 5, and the mean equals the median. So that means your answer would be B. Roman numeral 3 says 5. That's the one that works. So my answer is B, 3 only.